text field. This should be changed to what? Second. Yeah. This should be changed to, this is showing the text field. So what I'll do is, let me check whether I can change. Right click on this. I'll go to what? Palettes. Palettes. Understood? Right click on the graphic object. I'll go to palettes. Yesterday I went like this. Anything is fine. Palettes. I'll go to what? Object. Done, 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 done. Okay. Field. Yeah, done. See here. For the field, oh sorry, let me close this. Right click on this. Right click on this. Palettes. Object. Yeah, type by default it is what? Text field. I'll change it to what is image. What is the control I have taken now? Image. Image is the control in what? Image field or image. I can go for anything. I'll go for what? Image. Image field. Done. Caption is graphic. What is the URL? Okay, binding. I'll go for binding otherwise. Yeah. Graphic image field done. I'll go to binding. What is the field which is carrying that? I'll just click on this. Yes, Adobe Form 3 in this work area. What is this field? I underscore EMP hyphen what? Graphic. Any of that is only there here. Done. That's all. Understood? So I have mapped it here. Let me check. Save. Check it. Done. Can I increase the size? Yes, I'm able to increase the size. Save it. Check it. Activate this. Done. Okay. So what I did here, after mapping this I underscore EMP onto the layout, we have changed the properties of that particular graphic object. What is that? I right clicked on that. I went to what? Palettes. I went to object. I repeat this once again. Yes, palettes. What is this? Object. Field. In the field, by default it is a text field. I have changed it to what? Image field. And binding. Okay. Binding I have done with what? emp.graphic. emp.graphic is referring to what? EMP photo only, na? Done. That's it. Okay. So after activating this, now I need to call what? A driver program to call this particular. I need to create a driver program to call this particular Adobe form. Let's go back. What is the yesterday's program? Z call Adobe 1 up. This one in or this. Okay, I'll just copy this. 2 I'll copy to what? 3. Okay, done. See the technique here. What I have to pass to Adobe form work area. Na? So see the technique. I'll declare data what? W underscore EMP. W underscore EMP. Type what? Z EMP. Yeah, W underscore EMP. Next, I'll accept the employee number also. P underscore employee number. Type what? Z EMP hyphen employee number. I'll write the select query. In the start of what? Selection. I'll just select star from what is the table? Z EMP, not star. Select single star from what? Z EMP into what is the work area? W underscore EMP, where employee number equal to what? P underscore employee number. Okay. If salsa bars is equal to what? 0, I am opening the job. Okay, I am opening the job. Done. Then get the Adobe form function model. What is Adobe form name? Form 3. And then call the Adobe form function dynamically. Exporting. What is the parameter name? I underscore EMP is equal to what? W underscore EMP. Done. Close the function model. End. So I made the necessary changes. This is self-explanatory. Okay, done. Okay, so let me execute this. Employee number, I'll give what? 1 is ours, I think so. Okay, execute this. I don't know whether it works or not. If it doesn't work, we'll discuss tomorrow. Oh shit. What happened? I didn't got what? I got the data, ours I got, but I didn't got the picture. Hmm? So.
Do we need to map in the layout? Yesterday you said during the context.
Yeah, one second. What is the earlier program? Z upload image. Okay. Now I'll go back to interface first, SFP. Import I took, that's all. Done. Then let me go to Adobe Form. I mapped that work area to what? This one. And I suppress that, that's fine. Then I create the graphic object. For this graphic object, I made as graphic content, I gave this, done. EMP photo, done. Okay. Then I went to what? Layout. Earlier I used to cover this in WebDim Pro. Okay. So in a different way, I'm trying like this now. Done. This is a graphic object now. Right. I'll go to what? Palettes, object, image field only. Binding, default binding. Done. I'll do one more change. Right click on this palettes, object, or else, one second. Okay, so let me go back. I'll do one more change. If I do like this, it doesn't work. Okay, let me go back to the layout only. Field is type what? Image field. Huh? Let me go for image. I'll go for image. Oh, if I go for image, it's not taking that. So right click on this palettes object. Let me go for image field only. Image field only. Binding, right? Image field binding, and take binding I underscore emp. I'll take what? Graphic. Done. Update all the related properties. Okay. Done. It is updated. Value, done. Field, the problem is here only. But again, why it is saying text field there? One second, let me delete this. I have deleted that. Palettes, object, palettes. I'll go to library. Do we have any image field here? Yeah, I'll take the image field and put it here. This is the image field. Now for this image field, I'll go to palettes, object. Type is what? Image field, done. Then here, binding. Yeah, I need to choose this. What is this? Graphic. Okay, it is done, updated. I'm getting value field, again distinct text field. One second, and take this as it is. This is my graphic object, palettes, object. One second. I'm going to full screen layout. Problem with the the type of control. Okay, now I got this. Palettes, object, field. I'll take it as what? Image field. Done. Then binding. Yeah, fine. Done. Okay, I'll save it once. Earlier also I did the same thing, na? It's done. Let me close this once. Okay, let me activate this. Yeah, it's activated. Let us run the program now. What could be the reason where we did wrong? Why the image is not coming? Let me check that procedure. This one, na? Yeah, we map the data. Yes, this is important. Field is what? So and so. Done. The type is what? Image field. Bind with what? LSCMP graphic. Yes, done. Why it has not done? Just check it here. Create the graphic object. Yes, I have created the graphic object. Then change the graphic content. Yes, I did it to that ls underscore emp employee photo. BMP done. Design the layout by placing the fields. Properties of graphic object. Palettes. Object. Field type. Type what? Image field. Bind with what? LSCMP graphic. Done. But what is the issue? See, it is mapped with that. One last attempt. Here I am having the doubt whether it is really inserted or not. Yeah, I got the content. Yes, I got the content. I am inserting into the table now. It got inserted 4 and R2 na? It got inserted. Why it is showing blank here? Here it is showing blank for all the records. What could be the reason? That's why it is showing blank there. So here if you see, hyphen what? Employee number, I got 4. But if you see this, data is there. Data is there. Done. Done. We are calling that. Done. We are getting that. I am calling the Adobe form. Data is there. So problem is not there in that program. So go back to the Adobe interface first. I_emp type ZEMP. Done. Let me come back to the Adobe form. I'm mapping this to that one. Done. Employee number graphic. I deactivate this. I predict a problem here only. So okay, I'll go to layout. This is not changed again. Image field, okay, done.